Use an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner. An ultrasonic jewelry cleaner is a technological piece of equipment intended to eliminate grime and dirt from jewelry items such as rings, necklaces, watches, etc. It is a device readily available in stores and home shopping networks. The ultrasonic jewelry cleaner has two major parts, the motor and the cleaning tank. Other models or brands come with a tray or a basket. Just plug it in a normal outlet and you're good to go. It is really easy to use, and with just 5 to 7 minutes, your jewelry will be good as new. To be adept on how an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner works, read the steps below and start cleaning away. Begin the cleaning process. The machine comes with a manual that you can read through to guide you with the step-by-step process. To begin, fill the cleaning tank with fresh lukewarm water or a clean-up solution. Cleaning solutions compose basically of compounds that lessen the surface tension of a solution or liquid, which allows it to spread without difficulty. Remember to stay away from cleaning instruments with certain acids and bleach. It will destroy the natural elements of your jewelry. Put your jewelry in. The next step is to gather all the jewelry that needs cleaning and load it in the basket, tray, or in the cleaning tank itself. Once they are in place, turn the power on and watch as the motor starts to create ultrasonic force conveyed through pulsating energy currents. This cleaner generally releases about 40,000 energy waves/second. Amazing, huh? As you watch carefully, you will notice tiny bubbles bumping against each other, creating force that gets in between tiny parts of your jewelry. This cannot be done with just using a simple cleaner and towel, as it goes within tiny sections of your jewelry, thus cleaning it thoroughly. Turn it off and enjoy. Watch as the ultrasonic jewelry cleaner eradicates filth from your ring, watch, or necklace. Give it about 5 to 7 minutes of cleaning action, and once the process is done, you can turn the switch off and see the dirt from your jewelry settling down on the bed of the machine. Take the jewelry out of the cleaning tank and gently wash off with water. Wipe each accessory clean and dry with a piece of cloth. And you're done. Simple, isn't it? Don't be afraid to try new and useful gadgets that could make your life easier. It is always good to explore on certain technological devices created to make your life trouble-free. Who knows that cleaning jewelry can be so easy, with just a push of a button. Dust particles that dried up and settled in between tiny parts of your watch or necklace can be eliminated. The ultrasonic jewelry cleaner can help you save a lot of money by limiting your urge to purchase new accessories. Also, some of you might be wary of the effect of the solution and the bubbles on your jewelry. Fret not, as it does no harm at all.